it's Melody
and Lily
from MLK Hairstyles. And if you may have noticed that on April 12th, we have officially been on YouTube for 2 years.
And we recently hit 100 subscribers.
So for such a special video, we'll need a special guest.
Hi, I'm Bobby.
And we're calling this Brother Braids, where Bobby, our brother, is going to be teaching how to do a 3-strand slide-up braid on my hair.
So let's get started.
So first you start by taking a small strand of hair and just make a simple braid. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take 2 of the 3 sections, put them together, hang on to one section, and slide the 2 sections up to the top. And then I'm going to pin all 3 bits of the braid back to the rest of the hair. So as you can see, this is a very simple braid that anyone can do, including myself. If I can do it, you can do it too. I use it myself all the time.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And please give this video a huge thumbs up if you think that our brother Bobby did a fantastic job on Lily's hair. And if you want to see him again,
you'd have to get this video to at least 150 likes before I came back.
And comment on what hairstyles you want us to teach next.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye guys!
So first you take a small strand of hair, separate it from the rest of the hair, split it into 3 equal-ish parts. Oh, goodness, I'm going to start over.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Hey, why did you start laughing?
I thought it'd be funny if I said this video.
Well, the lighting just got here.
No, this could be...
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you guys so much for
watching this video. Again.
Okay, this is gonna be...
Thank you guys so much for watching. What are you doing? Okay, 1, 2.
It's not.
Wow, this kind of actually looks cool with 2 small ones and 1 big one. I just discovered a new braid.